Beloved Lord, you are my refuge, my peace, and the one who never fails me. You are the breath within my lungs and the strength that holds me upright when I feel like I cannot take another step. You know the depths of my pain, the quiet tears that fall when no one is watching, and the silent prayers whispered in the middle of the night. You understand me better than I understand myself, and even when my words fall short, my heart still speaks to you. Today, I come with a humble heart, not because I am strong, but because I know you are. I lay down every burden, every worry, and every ache that has weighed heavily upon me. Touch the deepest parts of me that need your gentle restoration. Touch my body where pain has lingered. Touch my emotions where wounds have not yet closed. And touch my spirit where discouragement has taken root. Let your power flow through me like living water, washing away everything that does not belong. Sickness, sadness, fear, and hopelessness. I open myself to the work you are doing within me, even when I don't fully see or understand it. I believe that healing is already unfolding, moment by moment, breath by breath. You are not a distant God. You are near to the brokenhearted and attentive to every sigh of the soul. When I am weak, you do not abandon me. You surround me with grace and hold me in the arms of mercy. Pour your light into every shadow that remains within me. Where there has been confusion, bring clarity. Where there has been anxiety, bring calm. Where there has been exhaustion, breathe fresh energy and peace. Let your love be like medicine to my soul, restoring joy where sorrow has lived for too long. I choose to believe in your promises, even when my circumstances try to convince me otherwise. You have said that by the stripes of Christ, I am healed not just in body, but in mind and spirit. That truth is my anchor. I hold on to it, even in the waiting. I hold on to it when symptoms persist and answers seem delayed. Because I know you are never late. You move in divine timing, and every delay has a purpose I may not yet see. Remind me that healing is not only about what changes outwardly, but also about what you are transforming within. Shape me through this season. Teach me patience and surrender. Teach me to find peace in the process and to trust that even pain can serve a purpose when placed in your hands. Let your peace dwell deeply within my heart, a peace that surpasses understanding, a peace that calms every storm that rages in my thoughts. When I feel restless, whisper to me that you are working all things together for my good. When I am tempted to give up, strengthen my faith to stand firm and see the salvation you have promised. Wherever there is damage, bring repair. Wherever there is weariness, bring rest. Wherever there is despair, ignite hope. Let your word take root in me like a seed planted in fertile soil, growing and bearing fruit in due season. I declare over my life that no illness, no darkness, no fear, and no situation will have the final say. Only you will. My story is not one of defeat but of redemption. Every pain will become testimony. Every tear will become strength. Every waiting moment will bloom into victory. Help me to speak life over myself. Guard my tongue from words of doubt and fear. Let my mouth proclaim your goodness and my heart remember every time you have delivered me before. Remind me that you are the same yesterday, today, and forever. You healed before, you will heal again. As I walk through this process, surround me with people who bring encouragement, not discouragement. Send voices that speak faith, not fear. Let the atmosphere around me be one of hope, filled with kindness and compassion. Remove anything or anyone that hinders my peace or distracts me from your presence. I surrender my timeline to you. I will no longer worry about when or how, because I know you are already doing what is best. I choose rest, not in idleness, but in trust. I choose to let go of control and to believe that even in the unseen, you are orchestrating my breakthrough. May my heart overflow with gratitude, even before the healing fully manifests. Gratitude that you have heard my prayer. Gratitude that you are faithful to complete what you begin. Gratitude that your love has never left me, not even for a moment. When doubt whispers that things will never change, let your truth speak louder. When fear tells me I am too broken to be restored, remind me that nothing is too hard for you. You specialize in the impossible. You make rivers in deserts and turn ashes into beauty. Let your divine presence fill every corner of my life. Enter every memory that still hurts, every scar that still reminds me of loss, and every place where hope has faded. Bring renewal where there has been decay, and new beginnings where endings once seemed final. I pray for emotional healing, for the courage to release resentment, to forgive those who have wounded me, and to forgive myself for the mistakes I have carried too long. I no longer want to live bound by the past. Let the power of your love set me free from every chain that keeps me trapped in yesterday. I also pray for mental healing, for clarity of thought, for peace in my mind, and for relief from the weight of worry. Calm the storms of overthinking and help me rest in the truth that I am not alone. And for physical healing, I speak life over every cell, every organ, every system in my body. Let divine energy flow through me. Let pain dissolve and function be restored. Let my body come into alignment with your perfect design. Let your spirit renew my strength like the eagles, so that I may run and not grow weary, walk and not faint. Teach me to nourish my body with wisdom, to rest when needed, and to honor the vessel you have given me. Thank you for being near, for listening, for understanding every sigh of my heart. Thank you for not being far away but intimately involved in every detail of my healing journey. I know there will be days when I feel strong and days when I feel fragile. On the fragile days, remind me that I am still held, still loved, still safe. Your strength is made perfect in weakness, and it is in those very moments that your grace shines brightest. As I move forward, let my healing become a testimony to others who are walking through their own pain. Use my story to inspire hope in those who feel forgotten. Let them see through me that you are still the God who heals, still the one who restores, and still the one who turns brokenness into beauty. Even if the healing comes gradually, I will celebrate every small victory along the way. Every moment of peace, every reduction of pain, every step of progress. All are evidence of your hand at work. I will not compare my journey to others. I will trust the pace that you have set for me. For what you are doing in me is personal, intentional, and designed for my good. Let my spirit remain anchored in faith. Let praise rise from my lips even when tears fall from my eyes. Let hope become my heartbeat and love my language. I believe that a new day is dawning, one filled with light, laughter, and renewed purpose. The nights of sorrow are ending, and joy is returning. Strength is rising again. Healing is manifesting. I receive it. I believe it. I walk in it. Your promises are sure, and your love is everlasting. You are faithful to the end, and because you are with me, I lack nothing. May every fiber of my being reflect the miracle of grace that you have worked within me. May my words uplift others as I testify of your goodness. May my life shine as proof that pain does not have the final word. Love does. From this moment forward, I declare that I am whole. My mind is renewed. My body is strong. My heart is restored. My soul is free. And as I continue this journey, I will live each day with thanksgiving, knowing that the one who began this good work in me will be faithful to complete it. Let healing continue to unfold in waves of peace, in moments of clarity, and in quiet revelations of love. Let my entire being, body, mind, and spirit, be aligned with divine harmony. I am healed. I am restored. I am renewed, and I am forever held in perfect love. Amen.